Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says, for any compound to be aromatic, compound should follow a given set of rules known as Huckel's rule. According to Huckel's rule of aromaticity, compound should be cyclic, B. Compound should be planar and conjugated, C. Compound should have 4n plus 2 pi electron, where n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 integer number among the following, which is a non-planar compound. Now, to solve such question, the key concept here is planarity, concept of planarity. Also, we should know hybridization. So I can say a compound is planar if all carbon atoms here are having same hybridization. For aromatic compound, I can say that it should be sp2 hybridized. So we'll see if the condition follows in all the options. So for first option, cation here act as sp2 hybridized. Usually in sp2 hybridization case, if one carbon is attached to the double bond, other carbon should be attached to the double bond or carbocation or carbonyl. So I can say that this compound is planar. For option number 2, here it is anion, it also acts as sp2 hybridized. So all the carbon atom here are sp2 hybridized, so this is also planar. Now for third and fourth option, we can see that there is bicyclic ring. So for bicyclic ring, I can say here that the number of pi electrons here will be 1 pi bond contain 2 pi electrons. So for third option, number of pi bond are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pi bond equals to 10 pi electrons. Now here we can see number of pi electron will be 1, 2, 3. For this ring it is 6 pi electrons, and here in this ring too 1, 2, 3, 6 pi electron. Because यहाँ पे ये जो दोनों कार्बन है ना, वो दोनों रिंग्स से अटैच्ड है, तो ये प्लेनैरिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. आई कैन से दिस इज प्लेनर. कह सकती हूँ कि ये जो दो कार्बन है ये अलग अलग एक ही रिंग को बना रहे हैं, और ये इतनी बड़ी रिंग है कि इसकी प्लेनैरिटी डिस्ट्रॉय हो जा रही है. प्लेनैरिटी डिस्ट्रॉय. लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं कह सकती हूँ कि ये जो दो कार्बन है वो अलग अलग रिंग से अटैच्ड है, दैट्स वाई प्लेनर है. सो which is answer to the question which is non-planar compound is option number 3. I hope you understood it well. All the best.